If you've ever drawn on a PDF or any kind of picture or kind of object in Inspire with ink, chances are you've tried moving it and noticed that the image or the PDF or whatever will move, but the ink stays exactly where it is, and it makes it very inconvenient if you're especially if you're trying to move to a different part of the sheet that you're trying to work on. Another example here with a map, you can see I drew a circle around Africa, but if I move the map, the circle stays put. So it's a little inconvenient. I'm going to show you how to program different objects like PDFs and images in Inspire, so that way the image and whatever you draw on it will move together. So the first thing you want to do, I'm going to use a PDF and a picture as an example, but first let's take a look at a PDF. So go to any PDF that you have saved on your computer. I have one here as an example, a multiplication drill. Double click it to open it up in the PDF viewer. Now, if it's a multiple page PDF, just go to the page that you want to bring in. So right now I'm on page 1 of 2, that's fine. Click Edit, and then select Copy File to Clipboard. That will copy that entire page to your clipboard. Now we can go back to Inspire and just right-click anywhere on a blank flip chart page and select Paste. That will bring just the page of the PDF that you copied right into Inspire. There's no need to resize yet, but first thing you need to do is left-click the thing you just brought in to select it. You can tell it's selected if it has the dotted line around the perimeter. Now the next thing you need to do is open up your Inspire browser. So just click on View, Browsers. You can also press Control-B on your keyboard. So make sure that the object is still selected, and on the property browser here, make sure you have this little piece of paper here selected, which is called the property browser. So we're going to adjust the properties for this PDF that we brought in. Go down to the bottom where it says Container. You might need to press the little plus sign to expand the options, and change Can Contain to Anything. So essentially we just told this PDF to contain whatever we put inside of it. At this point you can close the property browser and try it out. So take your ink tool or your pen tool and try drawing anything inside of the object that you just told to contain anything, and then switch back to your mouse tool and go ahead and move, and you should see that the ink will move right along with the PDF. You can also resize, and the ink will resize proportionately. So it's perfect for doing just a couple problems at a time so that it's large enough for students to see. And then as you complete the worksheet, you can just drag it down and then complete the other half. And at the very end, you have it finished with all of the answers. Another example I'll use here is a picture. So if I have a picture of a monkey found on Google, I'll just copy it by right-clicking. I'll go back to Inspire and paste it. Now if I would draw on this right now and move it, it would have the problem of the ink not moving with the image. So I need to do the same thing that I did with the PDF. Left-click the photo to select it, go to View, Browsers, and change Can Contain to Anything. Remember that the container options are found within the property browser. So if you are not seeing container, be sure that you click on the white piece of paper called the property browser and go to contain, change it to anything, and then go ahead and try drawing on it to see if you can get it to work. Okay. Now let's go ahead and get the mouse tool to move it, and you can see that the picture and the ink is moving together, and it will resize as well. So that's just a little trick with Inspire for avoiding somewhat of a nuisance that can happen if you don't set it up. Now you can have your ink stick to whatever it is that you're drawing on Inspire, and you won't have to erase things to reveal new problems and keep working. That's it. Let me know if you need any assistance. Thanks.